Alright, what I've got going, I'm going to do some shrimp skewers on the grill. And I'm sorry if you can't hear me. The woman in the house decided to wash some clothes, which is great because we need clean clothes. Anyway, so I've got me what I call seafood marinade in here. It's about, a stick of butter and about maybe a quarter cup of white wine. And that's about it. And you let that melt real good and cook the wine in there some. And then we'll use that to brush on our shrimp and put the shrimp on the out there on the grill. All right. Okay, now my butter sauce is ready, and I've skewered some shrimp on some metal skewers. I'm gonna paint these shrimps with this butter and white wine, and I'm gonna season it. Some butter on there. Seafood marinade. Alright, let's get on that side. And then what I'm using, so in my house we use a lot of this brand, that Fiesta brand seasoning, and we're gonna it's fajita seasoning. I had to relabel, the label came off. Anyway, so we're just gonna sprinkle that good, and then it's basically pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic, I think a little bit of cumin, that kind of good stuff. And then we're gonna go with some Louisiana Cajun seasoning to kind of perk it up a little bit, give it some kicks. Got some red pepper in there, and I'm gonna turn them over, do the other side. Alright. Nice and coated. Once they start cooking on the grill, we'll probably put some more. Thank you, washer, for going off. We don't have a door to our washing room. It gets kind of loud. Okay, so it's more Fiesta brand fajita seasoning. I love their seasoning. You find them in most major grocery stores, or here in Texas anyway. Find them everywhere. Alright. That should do it, and then we'll go check the grill. Okay, grill is nice and hot, so we'll put these shrimpies. Try to escape off my skewer there. Try not to get it. Hold on. Alright. Now these are metal skewers, so they're gonna get plenty hot, so be sure not to touch them when you go to turn your shrimp. There we go, and just wait. Alright, we're gonna cook these till they're starting to get pink on the edges, translucent on the top, and we'll be ready to flip them. Alright, we're gonna brush these a little bit. I added a couple of shakes of garlic powder and squirted some lemon in my butter sauce here. Brush those. Oh, those look good. Alrighty. Just gonna brown the edges and stuff, and it'll be ready and soon after that. Okay, I think we're about ready to take off. I did clean my pan, by the way, so I'm not like, I don't have shrimp stuff on it. But those would be done shrimps. This is not quite as dark as the other one, but it is done. We don't want shrimp that's overcooked. It's like rubber. So okay, so we got that grilled and it's ready to be eaten. I'll turn this the right way. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. All right, let's get this off. All right, this is the way we de-skewer the shrimp and on there. If you don't squash it to death. Should slide right off. There we go. Just had to peel the first one. Okay, there we go.